Welcome to day one of vlogging all the way up until Christmas. So this is my dog, Snowball. This is how he's doing right now. He just drank some of my milk because I had to rush outside because there was a pleasant surprise. I was called outside due to one of our ducks having a million babies overnight. She wasn't due for another week, but we now have 5 to 7 new baby ducks. After that, I wanted to check on my beautiful chickens to see if they've laid any eggs for us. But first, I wanted to let them out so they can rummage in the dirt. So this is my chicken, Brenda. This is her first day of me noticing that she's nesting, and she has 5 beautiful eggs for us. After collecting 7 eggs, I went to go check on the bantams just to see if we have any more eggs waiting for us. Only 1 egg, but I'm happy that they're starting to lay again. Now, the question is, where is the cow? The cow is in his normal spot, hidden by all the grass. And thank you for watching today's video. And please like and subscribe to keep up with the rest that we'll be posting every day.